Well, it started out really doing all kinds of insurance, bad faith work, property and casualty, health insurance, the whole gamut. And then every once in a while, we would get a case involving long-term disability. And the one that I remember the most was one where the insurance company denied a claim for a doctor who had a substance abuse problem. And the insurance company said, well, he didn't stop practicing medicine because he was disabled. He stopped practicing medicine because his license was taken away by the medical association. And of course, substance abuse, like alcoholism or any other substance abuse problem, is clearly a disease. Everyone is well aware of that. The insurance company was well aware of it. They were just using that as an excuse to deny a claim. And what I learned was that insurance companies will take a long-term disability claim. The first thing they do is to figure out what the policy benefits are worth, what the present value, as it's called, of the future policy benefits are worth. And if they're worth more than $1.5 million, $2 million, you can bet they're going to deny the claim. They're going to find some excuse to deny it. And the idea in mind of the company is usually to try to settle a case for pennies on the dollar. Because once the physician has no money coming in and doesn't have his practice anymore, he's got all of his bills that continue, mortgage, education for his children, and so on. They know that if they let him twist slowly in the wind long enough, he's going to become desperate, and that they'll be able to undersettle the case by waving a check for a couple of $100,000 in front of him, and he's going to grab it and settle the case. If the value of that case is $2 million and they're settling for a couple of $100,000, you can see how profitable it is for the insurance company to engage in that kind of activity. And that's what they do. That was the first case. After that, these cases started to come in one right after the other, and I noticed that an awful lot of the cases involved Unum insurance.